Hello, I am Dr. Harish Kumar. I am a consultant pediatrician at Aster CMI Hospital, Hebbad. Coming to vaccination of a child, vaccination is a very strong and very easy way to prevent a lot of deadly diseases to the children. If there was no vaccination available, the death in childhood would have been very high. The infant mortality rate has come down in our society basically because of the vaccination. Vaccination is a very strong and very efficient, cost-effective way of preventing the disease, because once the disease comes to the child, there is a lot of suffering. One is the suffering, the long-term whatever defect the disease gives to the child, like polio used to come with handicap. Polio people used to survive, children used to survive, and they become handicapped, they become limp. So these are the long-term consequences. Apart from that, the financial burden to the family as well as to the society. So all this could be prevented only by giving vaccination, which is a very simple injections that we give once the child is born at a scheduled time. What are the diseases that we can prevent by giving vaccination? I can enumerate a lot of diseases. One is polio, tuberculosis, typhoid, measles, mumps, rubella, diphtheria, whooping cough, tetanus, human papilloma virus, and a lot of other diseases like H influenza B, flu, the common flu, as well as the swine flu. All this can be prevented by giving vaccines, and vaccines are available and they're very safe to be taken. It should be the will of the society to take all these vaccines and prevent our children from going through all these difficult diseases in their lifetime. And lot of vaccines, almost all vaccines, give more or less lifelong immunity against those diseases. So it is very cost effective to take the vaccine and safeguard our children. If you go back to the history, the one and only human disease that could be eliminated from the planet Earth is smallpox. Smallpox virus was declared eradicated by WHO in the year 1980, and then onwards there is no smallpox in human disease list. Similarly, now we have polio, which is partially eradicated. It is almost eradicated from most of the countries, most of the part of the planet, except in few countries of Afghanistan, Pakistan, Africa, and so on. These vaccinations give self-immunity to the particular child, as well as it protects the whole community by blocking the transmission of these viruses and bacteria from one child to the other, which becomes very important. So as a scheduled academic year, every year parents should think, this year what are the vaccines that my child should be taking, and it should be completed.